Hello everybody, how's it going? Welcome to another video. Today is the 4th of July, so let's make it a good one. Let's have some fun. But first, I need to be in something more festive. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another vlog. Today is the 4th of July, Independence Day. So, me, this guy here, Dustin, we're gonna go find something to get into. So, we'll see what we can find out, so we'll see you in a minute. Also, check out my epic shirt. I love it. Alright guys, well, we made it somewhere. There's water there.
America.
Mark. But yeah, there's water over there.
Kayakers.
Yeah.
People enjoying the holiday.
There's some of them too. Let's see if we can zoom in on them there. That's all I got. Yep, they're out having fun. We're out having fun. Everybody just having fun. Market day.
Yep. Thank God for freedom.
Yes, sir. Got my American flag on my hat. Can't really see it. There you go. Yeah.
I got my American flag sunglasses I can't see shit out of.
Alright guys, so we made it to Twin Bridges. And we're just hanging out underneath the bridge. It's a lot cooler under here than it is out in the sun, but here's a little view around the area. Also guys, I'm sorry if the audio quality is really bad on this one. My microphone decided that it was gonna just not work at all today, so I had to use the microphone on the camera here. So, and I don't know why it's also having trouble focusing on me. Let me get back out here into the light. Now guys, I just want to say that it is such a privilege to get to live here in the most beautiful state in the best country in the world. To be able to be free and enjoy things like this, like, you know, today being Independence Day. It's just a great reminder, and you know, it's so great to get out here and enjoy nature. And I mean, just look at this place here. I'm going to show it to you one more time before we go here. And it's such an awesome looking place. Like, I can't even describe how awesome this place is. But I love West Virginia. There's no place like it, I mean, as far as I'm concerned. But anyways guys, that's going to wrap up this location, so let's move on to the next one and see what we can get into. Alright guys, it's probably been about an hour and a half or so, and we had a really pretty crazy thunderstorm came through. Dumped down a lot of rain really quick, and we kind of got stuck for a little bit, and so, but So yeah, so now we're gonna try to make our way back to town, but also, everybody that watches this video, go make sure that you find Dustin Lockard on Facebook and like his post, because the Jeep that we're riding in right now, if it gets 200 likes, he's gonna paint it pink. So go find him. That's him right there. Go find him. Go find it, go like it, make it happen.
Or not.
Alright guys, had to pay a visit to the gas station, needed some stuff, but now we're on to something else. And Dustin gave me an idea a minute ago that I don't know how I feel about it, because it's probably going to be a bad idea, but we're probably going to do it. So I'll try to film some of that, and yeah, so anyways, we'll see you in a minute. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's a nice one.
Yeah. I got you here. I'm just filming right now. Alright guys, so it's about an hour and a half until the fireworks, so just kind of riding around the Jeep a little bit, taking some pictures. It's always good to throw a little photography in on a day of videos, so see what all we can see. See you in a minute. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this one. We had a lot of fun making it. Spent a bunch of hours today doing it, so okay. Alright guys, thanks for watching. That's going to just about do it for this one. I hope you enjoyed it like we did making it. spent a lot of time doing it today. So anyways, make sure you check out this guy right here, Vlogs by Wes, good buddy of mine, his little girl. And Dustin over here, he don't have a YouTube, but he has that Facebook, so I'm gonna link it down below so you can go like that picture, so he has to paint his Jeep pink. So make sure you go do that. 100% go do that. So, but anyways, that's gonna do it for this one. We'll see you in the next one.
I want to have to go.
America!